Podcast Network Asia.
You are listening to First Metro Securities Philippine Stock Market Weekly podcast, where we feature timely and relevant discussions on the Philippine stock market and the economy in the hope of providing you investing and trading guidance. Here's your host.
Hello everyone. In this episode, I will discuss our company update on SMPH. We recently upgraded SM Prime Holdings Inc. to buy with a TP of 36 pesos as we shift our valuation base to next year. We project SMPH to deliver modest EPS growth of 5% in 2024 and 8% in 2025. Furthermore, investor concerns on POGO exit and the impact of hybrid work setup are valid, but these are already in our forecast. We view the recent price weakness as an opportunity to accumulate the stock. We like SMPH for the following reasons. First, we think that SMPH is a must-have index name. SMPH is among the largest property names in the emerging market space, and we see the counter to be among the leaders of our anticipated early cycle market rally in 2025. Second, we are of the view that the mall segment continues to be the bright spot despite weakness in the Philippine property sector. SMPH is the largest mall developer in the Philippines. Poised to benefit from renovations and regional expansion, SMPH's mall segment is best positioned to capture our expected rebound in household spending next year. Lastly, we think that SMPH has an upside from its Pasay reclamation. Land reclamation works could unlock value and synergies with SMPH's offerings in the Bay Area. Management is committed to deliver the 360-hectare SM Smart City coastal development by 2028. We continue to like SMPH as we think its valuations reflect steep discount to pre-COVID levels. Trading at 19.5 times 2025 forward PE, we think the challenges are already in the price and value is emerging. Our new TP is based on the average of three methodologies such as PE, PB, and SOTP. Our TP of 36 pesos implies 22.9 times PE on forecasted 2025 earnings and demanding at -1 standard deviation of the mean. In terms of key risks to our call, we think that SMPH could be affected by 1. Structural challenges arising from the exodus of POGOs and greater adoption of hybrid work setup. 2. Prolonged period of tight liquidity and high interest rates. 3. Further demand destruction owing to weak recovery and consumer sentiment. And 4. Higher financing costs. And that's it for our SMPH company update. Thank you.
Thanks for listening to First Metro Securities Philippine Stock Market Weekly podcast. Don't forget to follow us to get first dibs on our new episodes. For more up-to-date market news and info, exclusive content, and the opportunity to connect with your fellow Filipino investors and traders, join facebook.com/groups/FirstMetroSec and be part of the First MetroSec family.
FirstMetroSec is providing this podcast as a general market commentary. Reference to any specific security, product, or entity do not constitute as an offer or a solicitation of an offer to buy or sell any financial instruments or to participate in any particular trading strategy. The statements, comments, views, or opinions expressed by the hosts are subject to change without notice, and FirstMetroSec is under no obligation to update, amend, change, or correct any of the statements, comments, views, or opinions expressed. The statements, comments, views, and opinions expressed by the guests are their own and do not necessarily reflect the view of FirstMetroSec. FirstMetroSec disclaims any liability arising from reliance on or reference to any information obtained in this podcast.
The views and opinions expressed by the podcast creators, hosts, and guests do not necessarily reflect the official policy and position of Podcast Network Asia, the hosts of the program, or other programs of the network. Any content provided by the people on the podcast are of their own opinion and are not intended to malign any religion, ethnic group, club, organization, company, individual, or anyone or anything.